can sleep for 8 hours and still wake up tired. You can sleep for 6 hours and feel refreshed. What's the difference? Sleep cycles. Because sleep is not one continuous state, it happens in stages, and those stages determine how well your body recovers. You go to bed early, you even feel proud of yourself, but in the morning you wake up tired, heavy, unmotivated. Meanwhile, another day you sleep less, but wake up feeling sharp. That's confusing, but it's not random, it's your sleep cycle at work. Sleep happens in repeating stages. Each full cycle lasts about 90 minutes, and in one night your body goes through 4 to 6 cycles. Each cycle has 3 main parts: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, dream stage. Each stage has a role. Here is the breakdown of sleep stages. 1. Light sleep. This is where sleep begins. Your body starts to relax. Heart rate slows, muscles relax, brain activity reduces. You can still wake easily here. 2. Deep sleep, the most important. This is where real recovery happens. During deep sleep, your body repairs itself, muscles recover, energy is restored, immunity strengthens. If you miss this stage, you wake up tired no matter how long you slept. 3. REM sleep, dream stage. This is where you dream. Your brain processes information, memory improves, emotions are balanced. REM sleep supports mental health. How the cycle works: you don't stay in one stage. Your body moves through all stages, then repeats. Example, you move from light to deep to REM, then the cycle repeats. Throughout the night, why people still wake up tired? 1. Interrupted cycles. If your sleep is disturbed, noise, heat, discomfort, your cycle breaks and your body cannot complete deep sleep. 2. Wrong wake-up timing. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you feel heavy, dizzy, weak, even if you slept long. 3. Poor sleep environment. If your body is not comfortable, you keep adjusting. Sleep becomes shallow. Cycles are incomplete. How to improve your sleep cycles? 1. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Your body loves routine. Sleep and wake at similar times daily. 2. Reduce night disturbances. Improve noise control, lighting, temperature. 3. Avoid screen time before bed. Phones delay your sleep stages. Give your brain time to relax. 4. Support your body properly. Comfort affects your ability to enter deep sleep. If your body is not relaxed, your sleep remains shallow. Why your mattress plays a big role. Your mattress affects how quickly you fall asleep, how long you stay asleep, whether you reach deep sleep. If your mattress is sagging, too hard, too soft, your sleep cycles are disrupted. If you want better sleep cycles, look at your sleep foundation. One reliable option in Nigeria is Winco Foam Industries Limited. We offer mattresses designed for proper body alignment, pressure balance, comfortable support. When your body is properly supported, you fall asleep faster, you stay asleep longer. Your sleep cycles complete naturally. And with options like a 14-night sleep trial, you can test what truly works for your body. Sleep is not just about closing your eyes. It is a process, a cycle, a system. If your sleep cycles are complete, you wake up refreshed, you feel energized, you perform better. But if they are disrupted, even long sleep will feel short. Protect your sleep cycles, because that is where real rest happens. For more educational posts, like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, sleep well, live better.